everyone. Welcome back to the Food Moose podcast, or as we're calling it now, the Foodcast.
I do love that. That's fun.
I know. Go Monica for making that up. I like it.
You know, Momo Gardner is fun for things.
She is. She's got some fun stuff coming up, too. She's got a new blog that she's working on. It's called Finding Momo, like Finding Nemo. Isn't that cute?
I do like that.
I know.
Just keep swimming.
Just keep swimming. So how was your week, Heather?
Week was good.
Yeah.
Had a birthday in the house, and so it was all good. We were coming down off the sugar high.
Well, that's good.
Yeah. Get back to reality.
So, Heather, I have a really important question for you.
Oh my gosh, hit me.
Do you have skin? Not to get all Buffalo Bill from Silence of the Lambs on you or anything, but
I do like fava beans and a nice Chianti, though.
not liver.
My dog does.
Yeah, we'll save it for him.
Okay.
Why does it matter if we have skin, Heather?
Well, it's your largest organ. It absorbs everything that you put on it.
Everything?
Everything.
What do you mean by everything I put on it gets absorbed?
So any lotions, any creams, if you put makeup on, if you are doing some sort of fancy exfoliation, if you use laundry soap and then put the clothes on your body, anything that touches your skin gets absorbed into your skin.
So that's funny because most people think that the skin is a barrier, which it is. Obviously it's keeping your organs inside.
They would fall out.
Have to carry them around in a backpack. That would be weird.
Gross.
We have derailed.
This is a great podcast.
We have derailed. But it is a barrier, but it's also an absorption mechanism as well.
Carrier even.
Yes, it is. That's kind of why we talk about using clean things that you do put on your skin, because 22 seconds to absorb into the bloodstream, and then 22 minutes, anything that is absorbed can be found in every cell of the body.
So that brings me to a funny thing. So somebody gave me a science idea, and they said if you put an onion on the bottom of your foot and then put like a sock on and leave it there for 20 minutes, you will taste it in your mouth in 20 minutes.
Oh, that is a good experiment and a good description.
For all of you people that go, why do I have to put oils on my toes? That seems so dumb. Why would I do that? Well, try the onion trick and then you tell me.
Well, plus your feet stink regularly anyway. We don't need to add onion.
Oh my gosh. Stop.
But no, your pores on your feet are the biggest of the body, so they absorb faster. You know, if you're trying to do something therapeutic, that is a great place to put stuff because it will get absorbed faster. And also if it's something that you don't like the smell of, it's the farthest point from your nose.
And you can always put a sock on it.
Exactly. So what else can we do to keep our skin healthy, Heather?
Well, I do like to do dry brushing. So basically what it is you take a soft, firm, bristled brush and you rub it over your skin. Seriously, just that easy. Yeah. You've probably seen them at the store somewhere in the bath product aisle, those long wooden handled brushes. And maybe the head of the brush is about the size of your palm. And those are fabulous. Make sure you get a natural bristled brush.
Yeah, we don't want to create microscopic tears in your skin.
No plastic, nothing that's...
And what are the benefits of this?
Some of the benefits would be increased energy, smoother skin because you're exfoliating, renewal of your skin, increasing your circulation. It may help with your lymph flow, detoxification, and even digestion. So dry brushing helps your skin clean the pores and relieve ingrown hairs.
Oh.
Lots of benefits for just rubbing a brush over your skin.
So you just brush your skin? Like, what's the protocol here?
Okay. Here is my protocol. You're welcome to follow along, not visibly. Because it starts with get a brush. You can get them at Amazon, Whole Foods, Target, kind of wherever you buy your bathroomy things.
We'll post a couple links in the show notes.
Yeah. Firstly, you would get undressed. You could stand in the shower if you want to, but do not get wet. Start with gentle, slow strokes in long, sweeping motions towards your heart. So it should never hurt, just give you a bit of a rosy glow. So start at your toes, brush up your legs. Do each body part a couple of times. Start at your fingers, brush up your arm towards your heart. And then don't forget the backs of everything, the backs of your legs, the backs of your arms, and literally your back. altogether, I mean, it shouldn't take any more than 5 minutes, just a couple of minutes. You could do it a couple times a week. You could do it every day if you want. I would recommend start slowly so that your skin has a chance to kind of get used to the process and the feel of it.
So this would take the place of, say, like a salt scrub in the shower. You wouldn't want to do both.
Oh gosh, no, I don't think you'd want to do both. That would make your skin very irritated.
Okay.
So you do this, then you get in the shower and you do your normal shower stuff. You will want to wash your brush every week, 2 weeks, just with soap and water, just to clean off all the grit you just scraped off your body. We
sounds like a
go
snack.
into a lot there. So dry brushing is really cool. It's like a massage. So the way that your body responds to a massage, it's going to respond similarly to a dry brushing. You can relieve your stress, relieve some occasional anxiety. They can help your body heal faster because you're moving everything around. And here's an interesting question I have for you, Miss P. Did you know that over half and maybe even up to 3/4 of doctor visits are related to stress?
I did not know that.
I know. I read that. It's a really scary statistic.
Huh.
So dry brushing is totally cheaper and faster than a massage or a doctor visit.
Seriously, I think the brush is cheaper than a single copay.
Yeah, you can get a brush for $10, $15, maybe $20, depending on which size you want. I can't go to the doctor for $20. And a massage certainly is not $20.
Right?
So there you go. I recommend it.
Well, okay. So now this is going to help me protect outside irritants to stay outside because the cell turnover is working faster to create barriers for me, right? And
okay, science girl. Yes. Yes. Helps your skin do its thing.
Just like the liver and kidneys help to detoxify from the inside.
Yes, and that's why after you get a massage, they always say, oh my gosh, go drink a bunch of water because your kidneys and liver are working extra hard right now to move everything around and get the crap out. Same kind of idea. Your skin needs its own detoxification, which is done with a long-handled brush.
Easy peasy.
I know.
All right, so I have a question for you now.
Yes.
I've heard some rumors. Does it help with the appearance of cellulite?
Well, here's the deal. I can't find any true science that proves or disproves that. But could it hurt? No. I mean, seriously, if it can slough off some skin and get things moving around, it's only going to help you in the long run.
Good point.
Bikini season is right around the corner.
Oh, yeah. I'm super ready for that.
And there's your joke for the day, ladies and gentlemen.
You're welcome.
Yes.
So, okay, after I've done my dry brushing, is there anything else I need to know? Like, what else should I do to make sure that I am, like, keeping in all this goodness that we just did?
God, you are full of questions today.
Well, you know, it's a great topic.
Okay. So a couple points. If you want to have super healthy, like the healthiest, and maybe even the glowiest.
Is that a word?
I don't know. So the glowiest skin. I will help you get the glowiest skin.
Okay.
Do not use soap in the shower. It's super drying for your skin. You want to hydrate, drink lots of water, hydrating from the inside. Use safe lotions, body butters, even just coconut oil. You know, safe hydration from the outside. And love your body skin like you do your face. Treat it well. Your poor little face gets all this attention, and then, you know, the other 98% of your skin doesn't get enough.
That's true.
I know. Eat a diet with lots of healthy fats. It keeps everything hydrated and moisturized. And limit your alcohol and sugar. Unfortunately, they age your skin. I know they're delicious.
That's the hard part.
I know they make Saturday night way more fun, but Sunday morning you're going to look like a raisin.
Well,
and that's my science term. Make sure it's an organic raisin. Grapes are one of the dirtiest crops out there.
Oh, we need to have an episode about the Dirty Dozen and the Clean 15.
Oh gosh, that'll scare people away though.
Oh, they just need to know.
All right, I promise we'll do that.
Okay, so let's get started working on that.
All right, what are we ditching and switching? Let's ditch and switch our body lotions. Anything with parabens. Ew, ew, ew. Replace it with something luscious that will enhance your skin's health. So Young Living has some fabulous lotions. The Genesis, lavender, there's a coconut lime body butter, which is, oh my gosh, it's like a tropical beach vacation.
It smells so yummy. You almost want to eat it, but don't.
You could.
I mean, you kind of could, but
you totally could.
Might be a little greasy.
Yeah. And there's tons of easy DIYs out there. You can
Mhm.
make body butter with coconut oil, shea butter, and some essential oils. You can just
Yeah, we don't talk about it much, but we also have a Pinterest page, and there's a DIY skincare board on the Food Moose Pinterest page where you can find a lot of these recipes.
Yes. So hit up the Google, hit up the Pinterest, get yourself a super easy recipe. I mean, and it's a great way for your skin to absorb all the nutrients and be happy.
You got to pamper your skin. It's your biggest organ.
And you're going to live in it for a while. You can't change it out.
Again, Buffalo Bill tried, but it didn't end well for him. So take care of the one you got.
Exactly.
So on that note, that'll do it for us for this week. Have a great week, everybody. Go forth, be real, moose out.